Hey, how you guys doing today? My name is Carter, and I'm gonna teach you how to properly bless your frontals. Today we're gonna be working with TedHair. They're here in Atlanta, Georgia, overseas as well in China, and they literally have some of the best quality hair. It's luxury, give you that luxury feeling, that real soft, smooth, silky look. This is gonna be the company that you wanna go to. It already come pre-plucked, as you guys can see. So I'm about to just show you guys the steps on just blessing your frontal. We don't want that brassy look. We don't want that orange look. We want that nice tone, bleached, knotless look. So if you guys definitely want to see more tips on how we're going to change this look and make it to a sleek install, definitely make sure you subscribe.